In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell PDFs on Shopify. Start by opening your Shopify admin dashboard in your browser. Once it loads, stay on the main homepage where you can see your store overview. From here, go to the bottom left corner of the sidebar and click Settings. Inside the Settings area, look to the left menu and click Apps. On the Apps page, click Shopify App Store. This opens the app marketplace where you can add tools to your store. At the top of the App Store, click into the search bar and type Digital Downloads. Press Enter to run the search. In the results, click Digital Downloads. This is the free app by Shopify. On the app page, click Install. A permissions prompt will appear. Review that prompt, then click Install again to confirm. After a moment, the app finishes installing, and you are taken to the Digital Downloads dashboard. Now create the digital product and attach your PDF. On the Digital Downloads dashboard, click Add Digital Product. A dialog window opens. In that window, click Upload File. You can also drag and drop the PDF here, but for this walkthrough, click Upload File and choose the PDF from your computer. Wait while the file uploads. You will know it is complete when the file name appears in the window. Once the upload is finished, click Next, then Set Up Product. This opens the product editor and the PDF is already attached to the product setup. In the product editor, go to the title field and click into it. Type the Ultimate Productivity Guide. Say the full title as you enter it so the text appears on screen naturally. The Ultimate Productivity Guide. Then move down to the description field. Click into that box and enter the product description carefully. Type a step-by-step PDF guide to boost your daily productivity. Then continue with instant download after purchase. Keep entering a full sentence until the description is complete and visible in the field. Next, scroll down to the Media section. Click Upload New. This lets you add a cover image for the product listing. Choose an image from your computer and wait for it to finish uploading into the Media area. Once the image is attached, scroll down again to the Pricing section. Find the price field, click inside it, and enter $9.99 as $9.99 in the field. This sets the selling price for the PDF product. Continue down to the Inventory section. Here, make sure Inventory Not Tracked is enabled. This is the correct setting for a digital item because there is no physical stock to count. After that, scroll to the Shipping section. Confirm that not a physical product is selected. This matters because it keeps Shopify from treating the PDF like a shippable item, and it prevents shipping from being applied to the order. Now look to the top right area of the product page for the Status section. Open the drop-down there and select Active. Setting the product to active publishes it to your store so customers can see and buy it. With that done, go to the top of the page and click Save. At this point, your PDF product is live in your Shopify store. The file is attached through digital downloads, and the store listing includes the title, description, cover image, and price you just entered. When a customer completes checkout, Shopify sends them an email with the download link automatically. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. The Digital Downloads app is now configured with the default setup for delivery. That means automatic fulfillment is in place, so the download link is emailed immediately after purchase. It also means the product is set with unlimited downloads under the app's default behavior. Your product page now shows the digital item as a purchasable listing, and the PDF is ready to be delivered as soon